Good morning, you guys. So on today on Tesla Talk, I'm actually headed to a closing, and just wanted to come on and speak to you guys for a brief moment en route as promised. So today I want to talk about self-employed and home ownership. What does that mean? What have I seen clients do that want to purchase a home if they're self-employed, a travel nurse, or just a straight 1099 client, which at the end of the day, that is all considered self-employed. So my advice to you guys would be simply to make sure that you are running all of your income through your bank. So when you're self-employed, we don't have the traditional lending like on a FHA unless you're filing tax returns. Now, I do know that we have had a huge hit as business owners here in the past couple of years due to COVID. So the tax returns are kind of looking a little ugly. So if in the event that you are not claiming your income, or if you are claiming your income but you are writing off a lot of debt because you have a lot of debt as a business owner, if that is the case, there are other options such as bank statement loans. And I just want to talk on that just for a moment. On bank statement loans, they will use your bank statements over the last 12 or 24 years. And you have to have a kind of a higher score, ranging from like 660 is when you get the better rate, 660, 680, 700 as self-employed. But you guys, you have to run all of your income. If you are a more cash produced business, like a beautician, or if you sell a product that the most of your business is through cash, deposit the money in your account. Run every penny, every dime through your account. Because what happens is, we're going to take your 12 months or 24 months of bank statements, and we're going to bust it down monthly, and then we're going to do an average. And on the average is going to determine how much your amount is that you're approved for. So example, if 1 month you deposited $2,500, 1 month you deposited $5,000, 1 month you deposited $8,000, you're self-employed, we all know our income fluctuates throughout the months. So if that is the case, what you will do is, we will calculate the 24 months or 12 months depending on the program. You do have some programs that require 12 months, and you got some that require 24 months. It just kind of depends. And in that case, what we need to do is, if you've made $100,000, and if that's what total has been deposited in your account, we divide that by 12 months, and that is what your monthly income is, if that makes any sense. And also on these types of loans, they're pretty much non-traditional, so they are conventional loans. In those cases, when you have to use bank statements and not your tax returns, then you will have to have at least 15 to 20% down payment. It just depends on the lender and what type of program they have, and I do have access to multiple lenders that does offer bank statement loans. And some say they require 15%, some require 20%. So if the home is $300,000, your down payment will be 20% of that. That does not include your closing costs. That is just your down payment. The great part about that is, if your down payment, let's just say your down payment is $60,000, that $60,000 comes off of the sales price because it is credited to the sales price of the property. So your loan will be for the amount of the home minus your down payment. Okay? So self-employed, we have to do better depositing our money. The times have changed so much now to where they're catering more to self-employed buyers, because there are many people that was forced to become self-employed during the pandemic, or whatever the case may be. We really don't know when exactly they started converting everything over for us, but they have, and that's awesome, because if you're self-employed, as long as you're handling your business properly, you should be able to go out and purchase anything that you want, car, house, and everything else. It's all about how you're doing your business. Are you a LLC? That's one of the things as well, and I want to talk to you guys as well about, in business, you can get a application denied simply because you have a Gmail email address. So it takes maybe $25 to buy a name. So basically mine is at hhrgteam.com. So all of us at Harrison Jazz Realty Group, we're going to have Crystal at hhrgteam.com, and for everybody else, it will be their first name, and so forth and so forth and so on. So I'm saying that to say, when you're conducting business as a business owner, in order for us to grow and us to succeed, get the loans and everything that we want to get, to update or whatever, build business credit, you have to have your simple things in order. LLC needs to be in place and in good standing with the state. That it has to be renewed every year. So if you have an LLC, make sure that it is renewed, because when you apply for something, that is one of the things that they're going to request. If you want to do a loan through your business name, they're going to request for a letter of good standing from the state. And if you have not paid or updated it, you will not have that. So you guys, let's just handle business a little bit better as business owners, because I will tell anybody, making the money is the easy part. Making the money is the easy part. Knowing how to build your business credit, knowing how to properly maintain a business back office is what we lack. And I will consider myself as well, because before 2017, when I had the bakery for over 10 years, owned 2 bakeries, just really didn't understand business credit. I had everything in my name. I had no one to tell me. I will be having a entrepreneur business class along with Danielle Reed. She is a marketing guru, and we will be having that. I think it is July the 31st. I will be posting a flyer about that, because that goes hand in hand with knowing how to properly structure your business to where you will be, they can just pull you up on Google. Do you have a Google account for your business? And those things are imperative to have, especially if you're trying to do lending or build business credit, because there are portals that they can go in. When I say they, I'm referring to lenders, that they can go in to determine eligibility simply from if your LLC is in good standing. If you don't even have your LLC in good standing, why would they want to loan you money? You seem very irresponsible if that is the case. So just keep that in mind, you guys. That is my Tesla talk for today. I hope that today brings you guys peace and happiness on this excruciatingly hot day. But I have a client closing, and today is a great day for me and my client. And I just want you guys to know, if you don't leave with anything else from this video, just know that sometimes the devil is not busy. Sometimes things just happen. So let's stop giving the devil so much credit for stuff, because he does not deserve the credit behind a lot of the things that we give him credit for. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Happy Monday.